first time a thief stole from Dustin and Bailey's doorstep, it was frustrating.
You don't want to think it'll happen, and it happened.
The second time was aggravating.
It was pretty shocking, and I went and told Dustin immediately. It was just like, they're all gone. Where are they?
But the couple knew they were not going to be had a third time. First, they beefed up security and got this camera, but then took it a step further with the help of their cats, and more specifically, the litter box.
After he visited 2 times, we decided, all right, let's put the package out there. Let's try and bait him up here. And
he's probably going to come back.
Probably going to come back.
Twice,
yeah. So we went to clean out the litter box, and it was like...
It's pretty heavy.
Yeah, it's like heavy. We need to weigh this package down, and just the 2 ideas kind of merged.
And the cat poop bait box was waiting for the suspect when he showed up again last week. They're fairly certain it's the same guy, but the video doesn't get a good look at his face or his reaction opening the box.
Yeah.
I wish I would have.
I would have paid to see that.
Yeah.
But it did get his distinct pair of shoes, which police were able to match to other package thefts caught on camera. The suspect hit this home down the road at least 2 times and was eventually identified as this man, Dustin Ryan Scott, who was arrested on Monday.
I hope that it helps, and hopefully he doesn't do it anymore. That would be great. And hopefully no one does it anymore.
The jury's still out as to whether he learned any lesson, but Scott now faces 2 felony counts of theft and possession of marijuana. In Muncie, Alan Carter, Channel 13, Eyewitness News.